In the everyday hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to overlook the little domestic dilemmas that we face. But these seemingly mundane moments can offer us valuable lessons in patience, communication, and teamwork. Scene script. Take Jack and Emily, for instance. A couple navigating through the myriad of challenges their shared home offers. Like many of us, they sometimes forget where things are, have differing tastes in entertainment, struggle with assembling furniture, and even share the joy of cooking a delicious meal together. In the kitchen, Jack can't find the spatula, a simple utensil, yet crucial for his culinary endeavor. Instead of getting frustrated, he could have remembered its usual place or asked Emily in a more relaxed manner. A reminder for all of us that keeping things in their designated places can save us from unnecessary stress. Then there's the dilemma of choosing what to watch on TV. Jack is excited about a new show, but Emily is skeptical based on past experiences. A gentle reminder that considering each other's preferences and finding a middle ground can enhance shared experiences. In the bedroom, Jack attempts to assemble furniture without reading the instructions, leading to, unsurprisingly, a small disaster. Emily, observing this, offers her assistance, subtly hinting at the importance of following guidelines and asking for help when needed. Finally, at the dinner table, they both enjoy the fruits of their labor, a delicious meal. Jack compliments Emily, and she reminds him that it was a team effort, a beautiful illustration of how working together can lead to great results. So, what can we take away from Jack and Emily's day? It's that domestic dilemmas, no matter how trivial, can often teach us valuable life lessons. Being patient, communicating effectively, respecting each other's preferences, following instructions, and working as a team can make our daily lives much smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, it's not about avoiding these dilemmas, but about how we handle them that truly matters. In the end, these shared experiences, both the triumphs and the tribulations, are what make our homes a truly special